Hey, this is Nigel, Wright, Subaru. Might be having a little bit of trouble with your cruise control, so I'm here to help you out, kind of get you set up here on the 2020 Subaru Forester, and how you can do it, and just kind of demonstrate it, and so that way you can remember in the future. So this could be a little short tutorial for you. So I'm just going to do a quick rundown for you, and you'll see here as I'm touching a few icons. So this button here, this is your cruise control to set it. So when I press this button here, you will see an icon pop up with the car, of course, vehicle in drive, and then you will see there's the icon that looks the same as here. Okay, so that is how you set the cruise. And of course you have your adaptive, so you can adjust the distance with the car with these icons here. So that's the distance there. Okay, and then this button, of course, this is your lane centering, so that's what keeps you right in the middle of the lane, and you can tell now that that's activated because now that pops up on the screen there in front of us. So the important thing to pay attention to make sure that it's on is what's happening on this display up here, because if these icons pop up, that means that they are ready to go. Okay, now to set the cruise control, of course, you just push down on this icon here. You'll set the cruise. To increase your speed, you just press up. To decrease it, you press down. And of course, that will take you by increments of 5 in either direction when you tap it. And then to go by ones, of course, you hold it in either direction. So if you want to go by ones, you just hold it up. If you want to go down by ones, you hold it down, just like that. So very simple and very nice little feature there. Now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to try to do this. I have a little bit of a driveway here and show you how this works when you're driving. Now of course, you just set your cruise again by pressing down, and it is going for us. Okay, now the thing is, it's going to take you to 20 miles per hour because that's just what the setting feature is set to. But you see how the icon turned green, so I'm going to turn around here and do it for us one more time. And I just want you to pay attention to this display up here in front of me. So when I go, I'm going to press down, the icon turns green, and now we are going, and that's how you know the cruise control is set. So of course, if you have any questions, concerns, anything like that, you can reach me here at Dave Wright Nissan Subaru in Hiawatha, Iowa. Again, this is Nigel, Dave Wright Nissan Subaru, 319-220-0538.